Good morning, teacher. Today I will present about compare the environment and pollution between US and UK. Yeah, and it's a table of contents. The first one is the similarities in the term of the environment and pollution between the US and UK. The second is the difference in the term of the environment and pollution between the US and UK. So firstly, I will talk about similarities. Yeah, you can see the picture is the air pollution, right? Yeah. So in US, air pollution remains one of the key environmental issues, although it has been incredibly improved since the 1970 thanks to the Environmental Protection Agency and the Clean Air Act. The number of Americans exposed to poor air quality has consistently stayed over 125 million since 2013. And in the UK, air pollution improvement remains a concern. The cause is the use of the motor car in the last quarter of the 19th century. Air pollution caused mostly by road traffic is one of the U.S. biggest killer and is responsible for estimated 36,000 premature deaths per year. So air pollution is cause of human health pollution problems in the US and UK. So next is water pollution. You can see three pictures here. Yeah, water is so polluted, right? Yeah. In UK, the main nutrients affecting water quality in England are phosphorus and nitrate. Phosphorus is the top reason for England water bodies not achieving good ecological status. Is the main cause of eutrophication in England river. And in US, water pollution from runoff pesticides and fertilizer. So water pollution affects the environment a lot in the US and UK. So next, I will talk about the difference. The first is in United Kingdom. You can see two pictures here. Is smoke and soil pollution. Smoke. Firstly, the word smoke is a mixture of smoke and fog. In the 19th century, the smoke caused major disruption by reducing visibility and even penetrating indoor areas. The situation in London reached its worst point in 1952 and estimated to have caused between 4,000 to 8,000 deaths. So the second is soil pollution from pesticides and heavy metals that declines in marine and coastal habitats brought on by pressure from housing, tourism, and industry. Whereas in United States, the pollution problems about deforestation, and you can see the picture is deforestation in California. And the second problem is desertification, species conservation, invasive species. The Hawaiian Islands are particularly vulnerable. And you can see the picture is desertification in Arizona. Next is environmental hazards. in UK, the south of England saw heavy rainfalls associated with these storms, which caused widespread flooding, power cuts, and major disruptions to transport. Whereas in UK, atmospheric hazards include tsunamis, volcanoes, earthquakes, around Pacific Basin, hurricanes, tornadoes, forest fires, flooding. Besides, the Pacific coast is the most hazardous prone area of the U.S. because it lies within the Pacific Ring of Fire, a zone of geologic instability that encompasses most of its seismic and volcanic activity. In UK, one flood in the 7th century left the Westminster area under nearly 2 meters of water. In 1953, a tidal surge killed 300 people in the Thames estuary to the east of London. So you can see the picture is rain and water is so high. Yeah. Whereas in US in 1980, Washington Mountain Helens erupted violently. The blast devastated the surrounding area for many miles and caused 57 deaths. The San Francisco earthquake of 1906 with damage estimated in excess of 80 billions. Yeah, and this is an estimated list of the nation's 10 worst natural disasters in terms of loss of life. And you can see the table here. Shark fingers are quite alarming, but to put them in perspective, the total of about at least a 29,000 deaths from 1871 to 2005. So now we will play a game to review the lesson. Yeah, it's a gift box secret game.
Okay.
Yeah, you will choose one gift box.
So I will choose the box number 5.
You see the question for you. How many people died in Washington's Mountain Helens erupted violently in 1980?
My answer is C, 57. That's true.
Oh, that's right. And you will have 5 points. Yeah. And next.
I will choose number 3.
Yeah. Okay. Pollution problems in the UK include A, B, C. A, B, or C?
I think that's a B.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Thank you.
You have 3 points. Okay, and next.
Number 1. Number 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, is it have a problem?
Yeah. So number 2.
Hi. What is the biggest environment problem in the US?
I think answer is B, water pollution.
Water pollution? No, it's A, air pollution.
Yeah. So number 2.
How many people a tidal church queue in the Thames estuary to the east of London in 1953? A, B, or C?
My answer is B, 300.
Oh, that's good. Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
you got 2 points. Yeah. And
The last box is number 6.
what is the impact of heavy rainfall in the UK?
Impact of heavy rainfall in the UK. I think a flooding, power cut, and a major disruption to transport.
And is the answer of question? Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got 6 points. Yeah. And the last vote is for yeah. What is the similar pollution between the US and UK?
I think is water pollution and air pollution. Answer is C.
Oh, yeah, very good. That's right. It's C, water pollution and air pollution. Got 4 points. So yeah, thank you for answer for me, and thank you, teacher, for listening the presentation. Yeah.
Thank you.